Hello everyone. So let us see the decorator design pattern today. This is one of the structural design patterns which are concerned with how the classes and objects can be composed to form larger structures. So decorator pattern is used to add new behavior to an existing object without altering its structure. So how that's done is we start with a base object and then wrap this in one or more decorators, and then each decorator adds some new behavior to the base object. Let us take an example of pizza here. So suppose we have the pizza interface wherein we have two methods, get description and the get cost. And for this interface we have the two base implementations, that is the veg pizza we have, and we have a non-veg pizza. Okay, so these are the two base implementations, and we can wrap these two base objects in another implementation of the same pizza. Okay, so we can have a decorator, like we can take these base objects and wrap them in another decorator which also implements the same pizza interface. Okay, so let us have a pizza decorator. I have already created to save time. Okay, so we have a pizza decorator, that is an abstract class, and this is also implementing the pizza interface. Okay, so within this we have the main base class which we want to decorate. Okay, so we are wrapping up these base classes in this abstract class. Okay, and this abstract class is also implementing the main interface, the pizza interface. Okay, so we have the constructor here where we are setting the base object. Okay, and then we will have the implementations, the concrete implementations of this abstract class by which we will be decorating the base object. Okay, so we will, like for a pizza we would add the various toppings and all. So in that way we can take this base object and then add more, like decorate it more by some other small implementations we can consider. So we have this cheese decorator. Okay, that is extending the pizza decorator. Okay, wherein we are setting the super constructor here, like we are setting the pizza, and we are overriding those two methods of the pizza interface. Okay, so we are getting the existing description of that pizza, and then we are just adding some text, and we are getting the existing cost, and we are adding some extra amount to it. Okay, similarly we can have, like we have some other decorator here, some bell pepper decorator. Okay, so we will take whatever the pizza is given, and then to that description we will add this bell pepper, and also we will get the cost of that, and then we will add the cost, the extra cost to it. So in this way we are taking the base object and wrapping it up with some other decorators. It could be one or it could be more number of decorators. Okay, so we have this client here. So let us quickly have the implementation of this. Okay, so first let us have a pizza. So let us have some veg pizza. Okay, so we will create a veg pizza, right? And let us say initially we have not given some special toppings here. So what it will display, we will display the description, and will display the get cost. We will need the system.out.println here. Okay, it is veg pizza. Similarly we will display the cost. So let us quickly run this. Okay, so this is a veg pizza of size large, and that's the price. Okay, so now let us take this veg pizza and add some extra cheese. Okay, so now we are using this decorator pattern, and these decorators we are using. So we have created the instance of the decorator, and then when we are passing the same base object here. Okay, so now let us run this and use this. Okay, so large plus extra cheese, and the price is changed. Okay, so we have taken the base object and then decorated it with some decorator. Similarly, we can decorate it with other decorators as well. So we just have one some bell pepper decorator. Okay, now let us run it again. Okay, so this is a veg pizza of size large plus extra cheese plus bell pepper, and the amount is updated. So in this way the base object is taken and then it is decorated with one or more number of decorators, which also implement the same the base class, the pizza. Okay, so these are also in turn the children of the main pizza interface, right? So this pattern is useful when we need to add new functionality to an object at runtime. So as we saw, as per the client requirement, we can add special features to the actual object. We can also use this when we have many instances of the object with similar behavior but with minor differences. So at runtime, we can add those special features differently to the different objects. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for the next videos. Thanks for watching.